To load SumiTag formatted material into your SumiMark printer, open the tubing cover, then open the printhead and each of the guides. You will also want to be sure that the sensor is positioned all the way to the inside, toward the chassis. Ensure that your printer is currently connected to power, but powered off. Begin loading your SumiTag formatted material through the machine, consulting the routing diagram on the inside of the tubing cover. Slide the material under the sensor and through the printhead, then close the printhead. Press and hold the Pause Calibrate button, then power the machine on. If the sensor and material have been properly aligned, once the printer initializes, it will feed a small amount of material through as it calibrates itself. You can then release the Pause Calibrate button and proceed with printing your markers.